A healthy start, the importance of a balanced diet for your puppy. Bringing a new puppy into your home is a joyous occasion. Those puppy dog eyes, playful antics, and wet kisses melt your heart. You want to give your furry friend the best start in life. It all begins with a healthy, balanced diet. Just like us, puppies need a variety of nutrients to thrive. These nutrients support their rapid growth, strong bones, and developing immune systems. A balanced diet should include protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Without proper nutrition, puppies may experience growth problems. They can also be more susceptible to illness and have a dull coat. A balanced diet ensures they grow into healthy and energetic adult dogs. Remember, every puppy is unique. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the best dietary plan for your furry friend. Homemade happiness. The benefits of cooking for your canine companion. Many pet parents opt for commercial puppy food. However, preparing homemade meals for your pup offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it allows you to control exactly what goes into their food. You can choose high-quality ingredients and avoid potential allergens or additives found in some commercial brands. This is especially important if your puppy has food sensitivities or allergies. Secondly, homemade food can be tastier and more appealing to picky eaters. Let's face it, who doesn't love a home-cooked meal? Finally, cooking for your pup strengthens the bond between you. It's a labor of love. Puppy power food. Essential ingredients for growing pups. When preparing homemade puppy food, focus on nutrient-rich ingredients. Protein is essential for muscle development and growth. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, fish, and beef are excellent sources. You can boil, bake, or grill the meat. Carbohydrates provide energy. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, sweet potatoes, and oatmeal. These are easier to digest than processed grains. Don't forget about vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, and green beans are packed with vitamins and minerals. They also add flavor and texture to your puppy's meals. Section 4. Recipe Corner, delicious and nutritious meals your puppy will love. Let's head to the kitchen and whip up some delicious and nutritious meals for your furry friend. Remember to consult your veterinarian to ensure these recipes meet your puppy's specific dietary needs. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked and shredded chicken, half a cup cooked brown rice, a quarter cup cooked and chopped carrots, a quarter cup cooked and chopped green beans. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a bowl. 2. Mix well to ensure even distribution. 3. Serve warm. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked and ground turkey, half a cup cooked and mashed sweet potato, a quarter cup cooked and chopped broccoli. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a bowl. 2. Mix well to ensure even distribution. 3. Serve warm. Section 5. Growing up healthy. Maintaining a balanced diet as your puppy matures. As your puppy grows, their dietary needs will change. They won't need as many calories per pound of body weight as they did during those early growth spurts. You'll want to transition them to adult dog food gradually, whether homemade or commercially prepared. Continue to provide a balanced diet with plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Regular veterinary checkups will help you monitor their growth and adjust their diet accordingly. Remember, fresh water is crucial for your pup's health. Make sure they have access to clean water at all times. Section 6. A final word on feeding your furry friend. Feeding your puppy a healthy diet is an act of love. By choosing homemade meals, you're providing them with the best possible start in life. Remember to introduce new foods gradually and watch for any signs of allergies or sensitivities. Enjoy the journey of raising your furry friend and savor the special bond that comes from nourishing them with your own 2 hands.